guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to log into Roblox account. If you haven't created your Roblox account yet, you can go and check out my previous video where I have taught you to create Roblox account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Now let's get started. Open your Roblox app. Here we go. At the bottom, you can see two options, sign up and login. You have to tap on login. Now you have to enter your username, email or phone number and password here. Here I will be entering my email address. Now you have to enter your password here. After you are done, tap on login. Here you have to solve this challenge, tap on verify. You have to pick the ring. Again you have to pick the ring. For now, I would not like to save my password, so I will be tapping on not now. You can see that I have easily logged into my Roblox account. In this way, you can also log into Roblox account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.